Assalamu alaikum. What is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that governs the structure of our language. It helps us arrange words correctly to make meaningful sentences. Grammar ensures accuracy and clarity in communication. Importance of grammar. It helps communicate ideas clearly, improves speaking and writing skills, reduces misunderstanding. Explicit and implicit grammar. Explicit grammar. Grammar rules are explained directly by the teacher. Learners consciously learn rules. Example, teacher explains tense rules. Implicit grammar. Learners discover grammar naturally through exposure and use. Rules are not directly explained. Example, learning through stories and conversations. Deductive and inductive grammar. Deductive grammar. Rule, then example, then practice. Teacher explains rules first. Advantages. Saves time. Easy to understand. Inductive grammar. First example, then rule, then practice. Learner discover rules themselves. Advantages. Encourages active participation, develops critical thinking. Formal and informal grammar. Formal grammar. Used in academic and official situations. Follows standard grammar rules. Example, I am unable to attend the meeting. Informal grammar. Used in daily conversation. More relaxed language use. Example, I can't come. What aspects of grammar should be presented? Form. Structure of grammar. Example, subject plus verb plus object. Meaning, what the structure expresses. Use, when and where grammar is used. Teaching grammar in context. Grammar should be taught through meaningful situations. Real life examples make learning easier. Context helps learners understand usage better. Example, teaching past tense through stories. Grammar in secondary textbooks. Grammar is integrated with reading and writing tasks. Emphasis is given to communication. Grammar is taught through activities. Grammar practice through English for today. Gap filling, matching activities, dialogue completion, sentence making, writing exercises. How learners can learn grammar in classroom? Participate actively. Practice regularly. Work in groups. Learn from examples. Use grammar in communication. Steps for teaching grammar. Presentation, explanation, practice, production, feedback and correction. Different techniques for presenting grammar. Using pictures, role play, games, storytelling, dialogue, charts and real life situations. Vocabulary section. Teaching and expanding vocabulary. Definition. Vocabulary means the collection of words a person knows and uses. Vocabulary learning helps learners understand and express ideas. Importance of learning vocabulary: improves communication skills, enhances reading ability, helps in speaking and writing, builds confidence, supports language learning. Receptive and productive vocabulary. Receptive vocabulary: words learners understand while listening and reading. Productive vocabulary: words learners use in speaking and writing. What aspects of vocabulary should we teach? Pronunciation, meaning, connotation, spelling, grammar, collocation. Vocabulary aspects explained. Pronunciation: correct way of saying a word. Meaning: what the word means. Connotation: emotional or additional meaning. Spelling: correct written form. Grammar: word used in sentence structure. Collocation: words that naturally occurred together. Example: make a decision. Different ways of presenting meaning. Realia, illustrations, definition, contextualization, synonym or antonym, description, demonstration, examples, translation. Explanation of techniques. Realia, using real object. Illustrations, using pictures. Definition, giving direct meaning. Contextualization, teaching through situations. Synonym or antonym, similar or opposite words. Demonstrations, showing actions. Translations, using learners' first language. Stages of presenting a word. Present the word, explain meaning, practice pronunciation, show spelling, use in context, practice and recycle. Supporting learners to remember vocabulary. Encourage regular repetition of new words. Relate new words to real life situations. Use pictures, stories and examples. Encourage learners to use words in sentences. Provide opportunities to listen, speak, write, read and write new words repeatedly. Making notes. Write down important words and meaning. Add example sentences with new words. Include synonyms and antonyms. Use pictures or symbols for better understanding. Maintain a personal vocabulary notebook. Example: word beautiful, meaning attractive. Sentence: the garden is beautiful. Revising vocabulary. Review words regularly. Use flashcards for practice. Practice through quizzes and games. Reuse old words in new lessons. Participate in group discussions and activities. Practicing through writing. Make sentences with new words. Write short paragraphs. Write stories or diary entries. Create letters or dialogues. Use vocabulary in classroom writing activities. Expanding vocabulary. Read books, stories and newspapers regularly. Learn and use new words frequently. Learn word families. Example: act, action, active, activity. Learn synonyms and antonyms. participate in conversations and language activities. Conclusion. Grammar and vocabulary are essential components of language learning. Effective teaching methods make learning meaningful and enjoyable. Regular practice, revision, and use help learners remember vocabulary. The more learners use words, the faster they improve their vocabularies. Thank you for staying with me.